guys, how are you? So today we got two currencies for you. We're gonna go through Euro USD and GBP USD. Alrighty then. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we would like to see what is going on in the bigger time frame on a weekly basis. What's going on? Alrighty. So let's see and try to make some sense. Now, let me tell you something. You see, the reason why we always make these lines, even like, why is this guy making lines always? Is because we just want to give ourselves some kind of a reference. See, without reference, you're nothing. So we want to see where the price structures kind of came and stopped, what was going on. So on the weekly, we are using orange like always, and we just want to see what's going on. And what we see is that I'm sharing my thought process with you guys. I see this downtrend. Did you guys see this downtrend? Just going down. See, from here it went down. From here it's down. From here it's down. This point, and it's double point because horizontally and vertically both. And then what do I see? I see another down, and then even yesterday it kind of came and stopped. See? So on a weekly basis, what I'm seeing is that these are the points where it's coming down, and then also horizontally, these are the points where I see it going up. See that? So these are the points to play with. Now let's get on to daily, because we want to trade this. We want to see how we got to trade this. So on the daily, what do I see? I see that within this range, let's see what kind of range we have here. This is almost a range of 2,000 pips. Wow, that's a lot of pips. That's a big move. So how would I trade this? Okay, first of all, on the daily, let's see what do I see? Okay, this right here, this range. See this right here? You can see it. Look at this. Let's change that to the red is our daily. And what do I see is that the red is stopping. The red is stopping, my friends. The red is stopping. It's a big resistance. I see. And even here, right here, it's a resistance. Even here, look at this. That it's became a support. And here it became a resistance. Again, it kind of showed as it's resistance, and then it went down. And from here, if it went up, tore it up, came back down, and then went back up. This time, and two times this happened, 3 times. But here also, see. So basically, point is that it's tearing up the resistance and support systems. Okay, here you see, it has again here. If I see that the resistance held up, but again, breakouts will happen, but we gotta make sure that through those breakouts, how do we trade this time? All right. So this is what I see. Okay. What right here? Do I see something? Oh, look at that! Look at that, my friends. Look at that. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. All right. Right here. See that? even here, it went and stopped. See that? It retested and went up, and then it failed here. So this is also, we have a resistance right here. And then any other resistances? Okay, see this one? See this one? This is a resistance. It's a legit resistance. Let's see on the upside. Now, I'll tell you why I'm doing all this. I'll tell you exactly my motives, my friends. Okay, I see this here. All we are doing here is that we are making ourselves, giving ourselves reference points. See that? Okay, now let's go down to 4-hour chart. Alrighty. Now, this looks good. See, this is our reference. This is our playing ground. You see, one thing I'll tell you guys. I hate it when traders just leave the trades open and they leave the ranges, and they're like, oh, it's going to come back. No, this is the absolute points under which I'll be playing this game. All right. I'm not gonna, these are the ultimate. See this? Around 2,000 pips. That's the ultimate range. And that's ultimate. I'm even going to go less than that at a time. So, what else do I see? Now, on the 4-hour chart, what do I see is that there is a support going on towards the up. Since it has hit down, it has gone up. Now, let's draw the 4-hour chart one, okay? We're gonna give it a nice yellowish, nah, I don't like that, I like green. Oh yeah, that's a good contrast. So what do we see? What we see is that each time it's hitting this, it is bouncing. It's bouncing. Look at that. It's bouncing. It's bouncing. It keeps on bouncing. Keeps on bouncing. Now, if you ask me, okay, jolly good me, then how this trade is going to be in the 2,000 pip range, okay? I believe it's going to most likely do this. Okay, and as we're going to be trading this on the 4-hour chart, I'm going to make it now. If it comes down, and at this point, it should be bouncing back up, right? And then it's going to if it goes past, then it's uptrend. This is going to be an uptrend. This is uptrend for us. Now, on the flip side, if it goes the other way, it comes down, tests the backside of the same line, breaks through the resistance, the support and resistance, and keeps on doing that, then we might see a double bottom right here. And use red for the down. So these are the two scenarios. Now, see, I have to make a decision now. I gotta make a decision. First of all, where At what point will I make a move and get into this trade? For me to get into this trade, I need at least, I want to see at least this portion happening, where it's going to come down, break through the resistance, go up, retest, and right here is going to be my entry point. Right here. Right here. I'm going to put my order right here, and I'm going to, and I love my smileys, 1, 2. Right here will be my stop loss, and right here will be my first order profits, because I'm going to take 3 trades. My second will be here, and my third will be here. That is if it goes up. Now, if it comes down, I'm going to keep this handy. If it comes down, then my entry point will be right here. Here is my downward. Here it is. It crashes down, it checks up, and then it's ready to come down. So as soon as it goes here, this will be, on the other side of things, be my point to take a decision. And it's going to be a reciprocal. It's going to be a reciprocal where my stop loss is going to be right over, I took a position here, it's going to be right over this resistance. And my first, again, 3, I'll take 3, what you call, three orders. And let this play out. So guys, what do you think? Well, now what we're going to do is, well, as you guys know, I am a big fan of keeping my word. So I'm going to take a snippet shot right here. Alrighty. And I'm going to keep it handy. Euro USD it's April for, I got on my desktop, and I'm going to share this with you in the description as well. So let's see what's going to happen. So let me know what currency do you want to see next, and we're going to do the same analysis, and we're just going to keep these take these snapshots every day just to be accountable, and then we'll see how it goes. So that's it for today.